Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock OPPO K13x without the password. Okay, so we have two methods how we can do it on our own. But in the beginning I will tell that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. So keep that in mind. So for the first method we're going to use the Find Hub. And for now let's pretend that this phone isn't locked, but the things that I'm showing you for the first method we need to perform on any other device. So first open up your browser and click on the Find Hub. Type Find Hub in your browser and now log in, and remember that you need to log in into the same Google account on which you are logged in on your OPPO. It is really important. And now all we need to do is to tap on our OPPO, and now you can click on Factory Reset Device. Thanks to that we will remove our lock screen, but we need to keep in mind that all of our data will be erased permanently from our device. So if you don't have a backup, you won't be able to restore your data. Or if you have a backup, you will be able to do it. Alright, in here we have the conditions, what to do. Now click on Next, then follow the instruction, log in into your Google account, type your password as a confirmation, and then your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. So that's the first method, and now let me show you the second one, just like I have said. So now our device is locked, we cannot remember the password, and now what to do? We are going to use the recovery mode to turn off the lock screen, but in this method we will also lose all of our data, so we need to have that in mind. So first, turn off your device, tap power button and volume up button, grab this white ball using your finger and place it on power off, then release your finger. Okay, now the OPPO logo disappeared, which means that our device has been turned off. And now, to get access into the recovery mode, we need to use two button combination. We need to hold power button and volume down button until we see the OPPO logo. So keep holding both of the buttons. It might take a little bit. Now the OPPO logo appeared. Let's release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume down. It might take a few seconds until the recovery mode shows up, so simply keep holding and be patient. Okay, now we're in recovery mode. To move around this menu we can use volume keys and power button to confirm the selected option, but you can also use your fingers, as you can see. Now we need to click on Format Data. Now type this specific code. I'll tell you once again that you need to remember that all of your data will be lost, so keep that in mind. Now click on Format. Alright, our data has been formatted. Click on OK. Our device now has been turned off. Within a seconds it will be turned on automatically. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.